First of all, you must know that all chem companies and chem vendors provide you with their standard post processors when your CNC does not have TCPC or plain codes. They don't provide you with a special solution, like our parametric post processor. If you are using such kind of an insufficient post processor, you are already aware that you are wasting your valuable time in NC program preparation. Note that, in almost all 4-axis horizontal CNC milling machines, both TCPC and plain codes are absent. Therefore, I will explain the advantage of using our special post processor on 4-axis horizontal CNCs. However, keep in mind that these advantages are also valid for 5-axis CNCs without TCPC or plain codes. Before starting, note that we use 3 work offsets as default in this mode. G54 is the original work offset, which will be used to machine the part. G59 has the coordinates of the rotary axis center. You have to enter the values of rotary axis center in this work offset. G58 is the new work offset, calculated after rotary axis changes. And basically we use G54 and G59 to find G58. If you are using a standard post processor for your 4-axis horizontal CNC, then you already know that you always have to adjust the workpiece 0 offset, G54, as table, or in other words, as B-axis rotation center. You cannot select any point on your workpiece or on the fixture. If you do not select the B-axis center as G54, you cannot machine your part. However, this creates a big problem when your workpiece location changes even slightly. You cannot use the same NC program, which you have prepared for the previous workpiece. As the first step, you must remeasure the distance between your part and table rotation center, and later you have to update the workpiece 0 center you have used in your CAM program. And as the last step, you have to create a new NC program for the new location of the workpiece. The worst thing is that you have to repeat this process for each new workpiece and for each new location. That's a lot of waste of time. And even worse, the possibility to make a mistake is really high, since you have to recreate a new NC program for each new part. This is exactly why we developed our parametric post processor, which uses formulas and variables. By using parametric post processor of Monospost Developer, you can define anywhere you want on the workpiece as your workpiece 0 offset. By doing so, you can continue to use the same NC program, even if your workpiece location changes. In this special post processor, at each rotation of B-axis, we calculate a new work offset, G58. And your machine runs as if you had the plain rotation code on your NC controller.